Hi guys! As someone na mahilig sa kape, talaga namang naging hobby na namin ang mag-coffee hopping. Kaya naman, we visited one of the coffee shops in Marikina City. Dito lang yan along Lilac Street at open sila daily from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Ang cozy and relaxing ng place. Pet-friendly and with parking space din. Ang daming choices ng food and drinks. Aside from coffee, they also have fruit drinks and sa food naman, they have varieties from cakes to pastries, pastas, and even silog meals. We ordered chocolate matcha, Spanish latte frap, and sansribal. Something unique about Cafe Mido is they have this cute glass bag called Brooklyn and Mido bag, which you can enjoy for dine-in only. O, di ba? Kaya naman, follow for more. Till our next coffee hopping. Bye-bye!